New tornado warning. There we go.
Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Woodford County, southeastern Marshall County until 6 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Washburn, or 8
Confirmed
miles
tornado.
southeast of Lincoln, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Toluca around 5:45 p.m. Then to around 5:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Larose and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 27 and 36.
You have about a minute or two to seek shelter. Don't wait. Do it now. As the storm is rapidly moving east.
You're listening.